Students, welcome to Gyaniketan. I am Anil Singh, your physics teacher. Today I am going to describe a topic, the force between two parallel conductors carrying current. Here, A and B are the two parallel conductors through which currents I1 and I2 flows in the same direction, and these two conductors are placed at a distance d. So, the force acts on these two conductors as these are placed in magnetic field, and both realizes force F1 and F2, that is a force of attraction between these two. When the direction of current is opposite to one another, then a force of repulsion acts between these two. As when current flows through any straight conductor, then magnetic field lines appear surrounding it in the form of concentric lines, and that is obtained by right hand rule. In this situation, when current flows through bottom to top, then the direction of magnetic field lines is in anti-clockwise direction. The magnetic field produced by a long straight conductor is perpendicular to a parallel conductor, and the direction of it is obtained by right hand rule. The force between two long straight and parallel conductors separated by a distance can be obtained. First, we get the magnetic field produced by one conductor at particular distance. In this situation, these two conductors are situated at a distance of r from one another. So, magnetic field produced by one conductor, that is B1, is equal to mu naught I1 by 2 pi r. So, the force would be F is equal to ILB sin theta, and for theta is equal to 90 degree, then sin theta, that becomes 1, and F2 is equal to ILB, so I2LB1. By Newton's third law, both conductors applies force one another in opposite direction, that is F1 is equal to minus F2. So, for long conductor, we can consider as force per unit length, and that becomes F by L is equal to mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. Here I1 I2 are the current that flows through the two conductors. When the current are in the same direction, then force of attraction acts, and when the current is in opposite direction, then force of repulsion acts. This force is responsible for the pinch effect in electric arcs and plasma. Also, it is found in solar plasma, where jets of ionized materials such as solar flares are shaped by magnetic forces. Through this, we can define the 1 ampere as F by L is equal to mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r, when I1 I2 is equal to 1 ampere and R is equal to 1 meter. Then we get F is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton per meter, through which 1 ampere can be defined. That is, when 1 ampere current flows through two parallel conductors separated by a distance of 1 meter, then both attract or repel by a force of magnitude 2 into 10 to the power 7 minus 7 Newton per meter. Thanks.